Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with some more craft fair ideas. As I create things for my first craft fair, I want to jump on and share with you what I'm creating for my craft fair. So let's just get started. What you're looking at right here are these adorable treat boxes that I created using the Alina Craft a gift box die that's new in her store. I've shared it a few times and I decided to use it for my craft fair. So what I did was I took these snowflakes that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They're in the ornament section and they're just plastic glittered snowflakes. And I just took one and topped it with a pretty bow. This is the heart bow from Alina's store. And then I added one of the pearl blings that I picked up from Michael's in that pack that I bought some time ago. And I used the Hot Buy paper pad that I picked up from Michael's this year, and I think they came out really cute. This is the front and the back. Really simple, and I didn't want to do anything too complicated for the craft fair because when you're mass producing several of them, you want something easy but something cute at the same time. So I just kept it really simple, but I think it's super cute. And then what I did was I included a manicure set that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I picked up several of these, and of course they're only $1, so I figured I could put them inside of these treat boxes and they fit perfectly. You can fold this over, wrap it with tissue paper, and then close up the box. So that's what I did. So this is the next one. Really pretty, and this paper is so cute. And then I made one with the Santa, and all of them are a little bit different, but just adorable. And then this is the last one for the examples, and fun, cute, and simple to put together, and I love this idea, and I wanted to share that. And then the next thing that I've created are these super cute paper purses. Now these are nothing new. This is a tutorial that you can follow from May Made It. She has a tutorial on how to create these paper purses using 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock. It's simple, and this is easy to mass produce. I did think about doing the Our Daily Bread Designs tote, but that is a lot of die cutting, and when you're trying to produce several, it doesn't make sense. It's just too time consuming, and you can't charge what you really want to charge for something like that. So I just decided to go this route with these easy paper purses. I bought these tassels at Tuesday Morning. I used this bow die that I picked up off of Allie, and I think it came out so cute. So I used, again, that same paper pad from Michael's, and then what I did on this, I added a little Velcro to close it, and then on the inside I added a hand lotion. So each purse has a hand lotion that I picked up from the Target Dollar Spot, and I think this is going to be super cute, and I think that these will sell. I will probably sell these for $6 in case you're wondering on the price, and these ones I will probably sell for $3. $3 or $4, I hadn't decided, but probably $3. But anyway, just a super cute idea. So this is one that I made, and they're all just using different pattern paper, and they're all adorable. This one right here with the gold and the blue tassel. And then I got this one right here, and I just made a ton of these in different pattern paper. All of them came out really cute. There's another idea, and this is the last example that I brought down. But really cute and fun, and I think these are, will sell in the craft fair. So this is just another craft fair idea. Hope that you're inspired, and that is it. Please feel free to leave me a comment. Check the description box below for more information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.